Current affairs headlines. EC gives nod to present union budget on February 1st. Jharkhand Annual Budget 2017-18 presented by CM Raghubar Das. Subhash Chandra Bose remembered on his 120th birth anniversary. Union Cabinet approved MOU between India and Vietnam in the field of cybersecurity. Saina Nehwal wins 2017 Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold. India wins 3-match ODI series against England 2-1. Jagdalpur Bhubaneswar Hirakhand Express derails near Rayagad in Andhra Pradesh. Sushmita Sen to judge the 65th Miss Universe pageant. Current affairs in detail. EC gives nod to present union budget on February 1st. Now, the budget will be presented ahead of the assembly elections in 5 states of India, namely Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Manipur and Goa. The Commission said that no schemes related to these poll-bound states can be announced. The notification also bars the Finance Minister from referring the government's achievements in these states in his budget speech. Jharkhand Annual Budget 2017-18 presented by CM Raghubar Das. The budget was presented by Chief Minister Raghubar Das. The size of the budget for the financial year 2017-18 is Rs 75,673 crore. Women welfare expenditure, which will be increased by 30%, was presented under a subhead of Gender Budget. Subhash Chandra Bose remembered on his 120th birth anniversary. Bose's 120th birth anniversary was celebrated on 23rd January 2017. On this occasion, the Prime Minister made files related to him public on the internet. Files can be accessed on the website netajipapers.gov.in. Union Cabinet approved MOU between India and Vietnam in the field of cybersecurity. The approval was given at a meeting of the Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Implementation of the MOU will result in significant mutual benefits in the cybersecurity sector. The MOU seeks to promote closer cooperation for exchange of knowledge and experience. Saina Nehwal wins 2017 Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold. Nehwal defeated Thailand's Pornpavi Chochuong by a score of 22-20, 22-20. It was Nehwal's 23rd title overall and the first after 2016 Australian Open. The tournament was held at the Cebu Indoor Stadium in Sarawak, Malaysia. India wins 3-match ODI series against England 2-1. In the final match, England defeated India by a narrow margin of 5 runs. The final match was played at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. India's Kedar Jadhav was declared as the player of the series. Jagdalpur Bhubaneswar Hirakhand Express derails near Rayagad in Andhra Pradesh. The accident site falls under Valtayar division of East Coast Railways at the border of Odisha and AP. The derailed part of this train number 18448 included the engine and 9 coaches. At least 36 people died and over 60 were injured. Sushmita Sen to judge the 65th Miss Universe pageant. The contest will take place on 30th January 2017 in Philippines. Rashmita Harimurthy will present India at the 65th Miss Universe pageant. Born on 19th November 1975, Sushmita Sen is the first Indian to win the Miss Universe crown. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.